Hi my stars! Today we're going to do an unboxing video. So I got 4 albums for my birthday, so we're gonna unbox them. So I got the BTS album. I got Young Forever BTS album. I got the Butterfly album by BTS, and I also got Noisy by Stray Kids. So we're gonna unbox them together. So let's do the B. Alright. First things first, we got CD. I love the CD, it's so pretty. Then we got the poster. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna show this. Okay. Poster, beautiful. Okay. Photo cards. There's 8 of them. J-Hope. Jin. Jungkook. Jimin. RM. Sugar. V. And then the lyrics. Beautiful. Okay. Here's what the back looks like. So this is the photo card. We got Jin. You guys see that? Jin. V. J-Hope. Jungkook. Suga. Jimin. And RM. Cute. Okay, and then we have 3, 2. Jimin! Hi, Jimin. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this album. 8 photo cards. That's so cute. On to the next one. Okay, next one we have Young Forever. Yeah, this is kind of gonna be hard to show with a dark room. This is just the poster. You guys won't be able to see it, but it's just the poster of the album. Then we got the CDs. Cute. Can you guys see that? Cute. Alright. I believe. Okay. Oh, I saw who it is. RM. Sugar. Jin. I think that's J-Hope. Oh, there's Jimin. V. Oh, Jungkook. Cute. Okay, you can guess who this is. Jin. You guys see it? Cute. On to the next one. Next we have Butterfly. Wait, I believe oh, there's the photo card. We're just gonna skim through this one because I already have the pink one and I showed you guys the pink one. Oh, CD's so pretty. Next we have the photo card. We got Jimin! Jimin! Let's go. Next we have Noisy. I did get 2 freebies. I got Hyunjin. I got Hyunjin. And I got the whole group. Cute. Sorry if it's really dark. I'm sorry. Sorry for my fault. Banchan. Lino. Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, Sunbin, Ian. Okay, we're gonna go through this pretty fast. Cute. Okay, next photo cards. Let's get it. Okay, here's the CD. Oh yeah, you like my new phone stand? Just got it. Okay, the stickers, cute. I got Banchan and Changbin. Photo cards. This one's front and back. I got Hyunjin. Here's the back. Then we got Han, Honey, and then we got Felix. Oh yeah, cuties. So cute. Lego. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna show you the rest of the things I got for my birthday. So yes, I celebrated my birthday early because my father is leaving. Anyway, I got $100, I got $25, and yeah. I got BTS Beyond the Storybook. I know, I was so happy when I got it. I got a phone stand, and ladies and gentlemen, my beautiful stars, guess who's going to BTS's concert August 27th? Me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm so excited. Yeah. That's all I got for my birthday. I have other birthday plans also as well, so stay tuned for more vlogs about my birthday. These are all my photo cards I got today. Bye, my stars. Love ya.